guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel I do home decor videos, lifestyle, shop with me. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to take you guys shopping with me to West Elm and Pottery Barn. It's a little bit different this time because we're gonna go to the outlet. I feel like lately they've been having a lot more items, and maybe it's because a lot of people are doing a lot of shopping lately, you know, fixing up their homes, redoing their homes, and a lot of times they get the items that other people send back, or maybe some items that are damaged. So they've been getting a lot of items lately. So a little tip, if you guys are interested in saving a little bit of money, check out the outlets. Before we get started, if you guys can give the video a thumbs up, that helps my channel out so much. And let's get started. Hey guys, if there's any item that you are interested in, please take a screenshot and call your local outlet to see if they have it in, or any item that you're interested in off the website. They can check their database to see if they have it in the store. Also, any of the prices that I'm going to show you, it's going to be additional 40 to 75% off of the price tag. So I hope you guys enjoy. goal today was really to find a rug. So I was really surprised to find a rug, you guys. I actually found one at the Pottery Barn outlet, the first outlet that we went to. And my goal was just to find something really minimal that went with my color palette. So I did find a rug for the bedroom. And let me show you guys right now. So I got this rug right here. It's the Peyton rug, and they actually still have it on the Pottery Barn website. It is from the Pottery Barn Kids line. Now, if you guys don't know, whenever you guys shop the teen collection at Pottery Barn or even Restoration Hardware teen or kids, they're usually priced a little bit lower than the regular line. And a lot of the items, they're just as good or just as mature as something from the regular line. So if you're looking for an item, don't be afraid to look over on the kids section or the teen section. So this rug is a 7x10, and on the website it's described as a gray color. To me, it's white. I'm looking at the website right now. It's a white rug with gray woven through it. A very warm tone gray, which I'm happy about that because it does add a little bit of warmth to the space without being a cream or ivory. The sale was 60% off. So like I said, if you guys have an outlet near you guys, definitely check out your outlets. Okay, moving on to West Elm. The West Elm outlet was a little overwhelming. I feel like it's been a little overwhelming lately. It's just, they have so much stuff and it's just kind of like everywhere. I don't know if they need a bigger store or what it is, but it's just a little overwhelming. So be prepared to take your time and look around for a little while at the West Elm outlet. So I picked up a couple of LUMBAR pillow covers. So you guys know my color palette is very neutral. I love blacks, I love white, but I do like to add items with a little bit of, you know, visual interest to them. So, I mean, what's more visually interesting than this pillow right here? But it's a very beautiful detailing on this. I don't know if they still carry this at the store. I didn't see it on the website. When this one was at the store, it did retail for $30, and I got it for, I believe, 40% off. So I did get 2 of these, and then I did order the inserts from West Elm. They were $19 for a set of 2, so I thought that was a really good price. So those are on their way. So I originally bought these for my couch, which I don't have my dream couch yet. I think once we're done with the bedroom, we're gonna move on to the living room, no ifs, ands, or buts about it, okay? I know I've been talking about the living room forever now, but we'll be moving on to the living room very, 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 very soon. And by the way, if the background looks a little bit different, that's the white painting that you guys saw in the last video. I finished it. It's actually meant for my bedroom, but I don't know, I might put it behind me. I don't know, but that's why that picture is behind me. I'm just kind of like playing around with the idea of it, but I love how it came out. You guys will see it very soon. Actually, if you head over to my Instagram, I will post a picture of it over there, and you guys will see it again for my room tour video, which is coming up very, 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 very soon. So that is everything I got. If you guys enjoyed the shop with me or the items that I got, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And you guys, I have really good content coming out. We have another room tour coming up. We have a collective haul, a bunch of different stores coming up, styling videos. So please stay tuned. Those are all coming up. And I thank you guys so much for your continued support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.